The following histogram summarizes the ages of the actresses whose performances have won the Best Leading Actress category in the annual Academy Awards, also known as the Oscars. Which age interval contains the most actresses? And how many actresses are represented in that interval? So the most is going to be the tallest. The interval is just that range of values. So from 24 to 32 has the tallest bar. 24 to 32. And then it says how many actresses are represented there. And so it's going to be about 34 actresses. In B, it says describe the shape of the histogram. Remember, we have skewed right, skewed left, or symmetric. This one is skewed because most of the data is all on one side, and it is skewed right because the right side has that long tail. Part C. What does the histogram tell you about the ages of actresses who won the Oscars for Best Actress? Well, it does tell us that a lot of the actresses are younger because we have 24 to 32. And then as we get older in years, we get less and less actresses who won. Which interval describes the center of the ages of the actresses? And the center doesn't necessarily have to be the tallest one. We're just looking for something that's in the middle of the most chunks of our data. So you might even say that the center is around 32 to 40, because there's some on the left side and there's some on the right side. We wouldn't want to put it way over here because there's only a little bit that's on that side, so it wouldn't really be representative of the center. In E, it says an age of 72 would be included in which interval? And we always bump it up, so it's not going to be from here to here because 72 would bump up into the next one. So the interval is from 72 to 80. And when we were talking about it in terms of clothing, we said we always want more room in our clothes than for them to be super tight. So we're going to bump up into that next size. For this one, we would bump up into the next age bracket.